This is how to create a database in MongoDB Atlas. In your Atlas dashboard, click Create, and I'll choose Free. We will name this cluster 1 or whatever name you want to name it. I'll choose AWS and I'll choose Hong Kong, and I will not add any in this field, and click Create Deployment. We will connect to our Compass. Okay, I have MongoDB Compass installed, and I'll choose the latest. I'll click Done. Wait for a few minutes. Once your cluster is created, click Data. So let's create a database on Atlas. Click Start. And we'll say this is a shirt or a database name. And let's say stocks. And scroll down. Click Create Database. And now you have a shirt database and stocks as its collection. So this is how to create a database in MongoDB Atlas.